Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to your class. I hope so all the students are fine at their homes and learning lessons properly after attending their online classes. Today we are discussing some animal organs and last day we have discussed some plant organ. Before starting our new topic, I can take a review about the last lectures that you have attended yesterday. Students, so answer me about the question. What is leaf? Minahil Fatma, tell me the answer.
Plant leaf is an important organ. Leaves make food.
Okay, very good. What is root? On, tell me the answer. On, Zubair, tell me the answer.
This organ holds the plant in the soil. Root absorbs water and salt for the plant.
Okay, very good. Now we have to move the topic of today's discussion, that is related to some animal organ. The first organ that we are discussed today is known as heart, and the second organ that we discussed today is known as lung, and the third organ that we discussed today is known as liver. These are the three important organs in an animal body. Now we have to discuss these contents briefly according to your textbook. First is known as heart. Heart is an important organ in human body. Their major function is to pump the blood. They pump the blood in vessels. Vessels then transport the blood to all parts of our body. In this way, we can say that the major function of a heart is to pump the blood in vessels, and the vessels transport the blood to all parts of our body. This is the discussion that is related to a heart. Now we have moved on to the next topic, which is known as lungs. Lungs is another important organ in human body. They help in respiration. Respiration is a process through which we can breathe and extract energy from our body. Lungs are important organs that help in respiration. Here you can see the structure of a lungs, and at the end you have to see a third organ in human body or in another animal, which is known as liver. Liver is another important organ that secrete hormone for the digestion of a food. The major function of a liver is to produce hormones that help in digestion. You have to learn some animal organs today's lecture. This is related to today's discussion. Now I can show a video that can further elaborate how many important organs are present in human body and what are their locations.
The human body. The human body is made up of many parts. Here are some of the most common. The heart, a muscular organ about the size of a fist. It has 4 chambers which receives blood, pumps it to the lungs to be oxygenated, and then pumped out to the rest of the body. The kidney is about 4 or 5 inches long and its job is to filter your blood by removing waste and keep the right levels of electrolytes. The liver is located in the right upper quadrant of the abdomen. It detoxifies various metabolites, synthesizes proteins and produces biochemicals necessary for digestion and growth. The stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. It secretes acid and enzymes that digest food, and has a sphincter muscle that allows food to move to the small intestine. The lungs are a pair of spongy, air-filled organs located on either side of the chest. The lungs help to oxygenate our blood. The brain is the most complex organ in the body and it serves as the center of our nervous system. It controls thought, behavior, emotions, and memory, as well as basic life functions such as breathing and heart rate. The intestines are a long, continuous tube running from the stomach to the anus. Most nutrients and water are absorbed in the intestines. These organs are just some of the most popular parts of the body. However, there are
These are the few important organs that are present in human body. I hope so all the students now have learned where are their locations in our body and what are the major functions that are performed by these organs. Now students, I can take a review about the two-day lectures from you. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. Otherwise, I can asking a question from you and you must have to answer them. What is lungs? Students, tell me what is lungs? Minahil Fatima.
Our lungs are very important organs that help in respiration.
Okay, very good. Now tell me what is heart? Muhammad Haris, tell me what is heart?
The heart pumps the blood in blood vessels which carry it to all parts of the body.
Very good. Now we have to discuss next contents tomorrow. Thank you students for your participation. You must have to learn your lessons properly. Allah Hafiz.